I have some orange habaneros, okay, to my Trinidad Scorpions. You see that? Now this one right here is about 300,000, 225,000 Scovilles. This one right here is over 1 million Scovilles. Variety that you use will dictate what kind of heat it's gonna give you. This Trinidad Scorpion is one of the hottest ones available. Come on, man, I go these days. Of course I'm gonna eat them. You bit the tail right off. Mm-hmm. It's a lot of heat. It's a lot of flavor too, though. You don't need much. It starts hot, and then the flavor, and then the heat really, really turns up. Covers your whole mouth. As you swallow it, definitely feel it going down my throat. I got the heat in my chest right now. But that's burning out all the bacteria. I start to get the hiccups when I eat that heat. But capsaicin, it's really good for you. It helps build your immunity, your immune system. That's hot. Fire. Yeah.